Hello, dear gorgeous ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so. You all are fine, good, and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So, dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish, amazing, and beautiful collection of crochet made handbag style ideas. So, in this video, you will find out most amazing collection of crochet made handbag design ideas for ladies and girls. I hope so, dear ladies, dear girls. This video is going to be useful and helpful for you if you love crochet styles, if you love to wear crochet handbag styles. So, this video is absolutely going to be very useful and very helpful for you. You will get new ideas and new designs of handbags. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So, if you are loving these designs of handbags collection, so dear ladies and girls, please do support me by sharing my video. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. You will get notification of all of my videos and will never miss any idea and any collection. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this designs of crochet made handbag styles, handbag collection, and which type of more collection, dear ladies, you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback, for exploring more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs. So please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channel. You will be find out crochet made handbag styles, shoes collections, skirt designs, top designs, blouse design ideas, crochet made dresses for ladies and girls. You will also find out mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, maxi style dresses, office wear dress design, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful and very helpful for you. So thank you so much dear ladies for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section about your decisions. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.